So back again to show you another addition to my 2018 Aprilia Tuono V4 factory, and it is something that I've had and took for granted on previous bikes, and it's heated grips. So I've fitted the Oxford Premium Sport package. As you can see me just blasting through the different settings there from 100% all the way down to 30, then off. I never need anything more than sort of 3/4, sort of 70%, more than hot enough. Hot, really hot, which is good news. The grips are extremely grippy. They're a little bit thicker than the normal. There are various options with the Oxford heated grips. So if you'd like to ask some questions, I'll try my best to answer them, even if it's just for the install. Okay, hope you enjoyed. Thank you.